This video is intended nothing but only about Mako, the greatest coaster in Florida in my opinion. Yes, I know we have a Velocicoaster in Naguazi, but overall, the bang for your buck, the airtime that you get, the rideability of this ride is incredible. And the airtime, let's say it again, the airtime is amazing. You start by cresting the hill with a 200-foot drop. That whip or the back or the front can be the most amazing ride easily in Florida. I honestly believe I can write a 10,000 page essay on Mako because it's one of the rides that are like just so basic. When you look at it, like, okay, it's just another roller coaster. Being like, this thing is amazing when you get off. They didn't over-engineer this ride. This ride elements is like point on. Every ride is money. But let me stop talking. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Kinda, sorta. Live through me if you like. But as I always say, these are just opinions, and this is my opinion. I truly love Mako, and this can't be changed. I've ridden I don't know how many roller coasters. I'm not about to sit here and do the count because it's not that serious to me, but I have been all over America. Mako, just something about Mako. Every time I get on the ride of Mako, I'm always leaving with a great smile on my face. Purely insane airtime. Yes, I made that up, but enjoy the ride.